If you got some, if you get a minute. That's not good. It's not good at all. I'm glad all of a sudden we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. Going to Logan Martin tomorrow. Taylor and John and Timbo were there today for most of the day, and they wore them out. They said they caught about 45, 50 fish. Most of them are little ones, but Timbo apparently lost one that go about 5. Tomorrow it's going to be me. We got our #1 fan, Cooper Butterworth. He's coming with us. Oh,
give him some words of wisdom. What's gonna be the bait of the day? Tell us that.
A whopper popper in the morning and throwing it up near the banks.
Can't get no better than that.
Hey, if they're shallow, we're gonna have fun.
Well,
I'm here to tell you
first
something
we
about
gotta
it.
not
What?
eat that nut.
What we do?
Yeah, do it, son. Do it. I don't know how you have breaks.
Well, I think Johnny D's going with us. So it'll be me, Cooper, and Johnny D. It might rain. Well, I think the rain might have gone out of the forecast now, but weatherman don't never know. Y'all figure that out if y'all watch this channel enough. Y'all stick with us. We're probably going to be going all GoPro tomorrow, so you know, clarity may not be as good, audio may not be as good.
He should have had the Vixia if he remembers.
Oh, is he supposed to bring the Vixia?
I told him. He said he was planning on it. We're going to try to. Look who that is right there. That is the man, the myth, the legend.
Is that people?
That goes by the name of Big House. Roll the windows down.
Watch this right here. Here he is.
Did you see that waves?
Act like you didn't carry down the bottom. What are you doing? How are you moving like that?
Up in your face. The boogeyman out there. You don't know.
What are you doing on my property, bud? Huh? You lost? First of all, you need to quit hanging around these guys. Are you wanting to become a fisherman or go downhill? Because I'll go ahead and tell you, he barely can fish and he can't fish at all. Maybe I'll catch some fish tomorrow. Did you get some baits?
Yes, sir.
What we get?
That's what we're about
All
to
right,
go
folks, well, went out to eat, took Cooper with us, and then we got to always stop by Academy, y'all know that. But we bought Cooper $45 worth of stuff, flukes, brush hogs, hooks, rivet frogs, Senkos, popping frog, a little KVD 1.5. So, appreciate you going with us, Coop.
Yep.
Hope we catch some tomorrow. We're gonna get on them. Got anything to say to the folks at home before we see them at 4 o'clock in the morning?
No, nothing really.
All right, we'll see y'all in the morning then.
We got Big Coop on the front deck with BT Smooth, and we're gonna see if we can't get some topwater blow-ups this morning. Coop's got a whopper plopper going, so taking a subscriber, our biggest fan fishing, has just begun on Lake Logan Martin. So we're gonna see if we can't catch a couple. Y'all stick with us. He got it.
There he is.
Got him. Got him. Coop with #1.
You rolling, John?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
Swing him in. Swing him in. Boom. #1.
That's #1 right there. Whopper plopper.
Got it. Oh, we missed it. Got him. #2. Better one? Bigger? A little bit. Swing him in here.
Look at that.
I wasn't even looking at it.
Wiring him out. I got it. Biggin. Biggin. Get him in the boat.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, Coop wiring us out. Getting wet on Logan Martin. Got him.
That's a good one right there, for real. Yeah, I'm rolling right there.
Oh my god.
Hey, take that picture, Miltech sponsorship right there. Post that, post that on Instagram. Oh, is it in your jacket? Hold up.
Yeah, you put this on yourself.
Hang on a minute. So you get the trolling motor, Johnny D. Here you go.
I'm gonna take a picture now.
All right, here, I'll get you a picture. Johnny D, get in there with him. Might post it on Instagram or something if that's the biggest one we got. Smoked it. All right, look at that. Golly. I mean, just all over them. All over them. Look at this, it's unbelievable.
There he is. There he is. And I'm catching the dink. Doubles.
Doubling up. What I'm talking about. That's another keeper right there.
What is that? 6? No, 4? Yeah.
6 for you.
So that's 6 for you. That's 4 keepers I think we got. Yeah, if you got some, if you get them in it. That's not good. It's not good at all. I'm glad all of a sudden we're in the middle of a thunderstorm. Well, folks, here's our setup at the moment. Illegally standing on somebody else's dock, fishing. Got my boat pulled in, the boat slipped and everything. Just hostile takeover. It's thundering. And looks like there's a lot more headed our way, according to the radar. I don't know if we'll be here much longer. Radar's not looking good, so I don't know. I don't want to be out here in thunder and lightning. Johnny D, how wet are you right now, Johnny D?
Soaking wet. My balls is wet. Wet, wet, wet.
My balls is wet. My balls is wet. Soaking wet. My forehead's taking a beating, I know that.
Well, folks, we're already in the truck, and it's only 10:30 Georgia time, 9:30 Alabama. 6 bass. What do you think, Coop?
It was fun.
Coop's first fishing trip was a success in some way, and also a lesson and everything else. Wasn't it?
Yes.
We're headed home. 2-hour drive in the rain. We'll probably take Cooper out again since it got rained out. I don't know when. We'll have to find a good weekend where there's for sure gonna be no rain, where there's not even a chance of it.
Let's see what the weatherman has to say.
Yeah, let's see what they gotta say. Weatherman, hit us up. I'm gonna get you to send us out. Do you know what to say?
Well,
Oh, come on now, you know it.
Starts with a y'all.
oh no. Oh my gosh.
Oh, come on now. Y'all stick with us?
Oh yeah, y'all stay with us. We got an Instagram, Outer Outdoors.
There it is. He's doing the whole deal.
And like and subscribe.
There it is.
Boom.
That is Ben Turner running across the interstate because his boat seat somehow flew out. Seems to be a common occurrence here at Ider Outdoors. Mine once did that last year. Turned around, went all the way down, didn't see it. Come back, we're about to give up. Ben said there it is, and now he's running to get it right now. You see him, Coop?
Yeah, he's way down there.
Is he coming back yet?
He just picked it up.
He just picked it up. Y'all stick with us. This is getting interesting. First the rain shut us down. Now stuff's flying out of the boat.
Yeah. Yeah. I love bass fishing, don't you, Johnny D?
Love it.
Love it.
Always something in the BT.
Always. I mean, we can't do anything smoothly.
How far do you think you run? I couldn't even see
100,
anymore.
100 yards, 100, probably
I
100
figured
something
more than
yards.
that. I figured probably like 300 yards.
I wasn't 300, but it was 100 and something for sure, maybe 200. I was just starting to get dry. But anyway, he pulled up next to us, hauling tail, and said, roll down in the window. So John rolled down to the window, and the dude said, you lost your seat back there past the bridge. And I was hoping he's talking about one of these like cross bridges that go, you know, where we go under, goes up above us. Now he's talking about the one back here at the lake. So I pulled off, jumped the interstate, ran down the other side, grabbed the seat, ran back, jumped back across the interstate. It's pretty stupid, pretty dangerous. Don't recommend doing that at home. Don't understand why a seat flies out of the back of the truck. Don't understand why weatherman can't get the weather right, don't know how to do their job. Don't understand why. Just don't understand. Cooper, this has been a good one. This will definitely be a video now. If it wasn't gonna be a video before, it'll be one now. So, y'all stick with us. I'm done for today.